Hey there guys! Today I'm back to talk about my BooktubeAthon TBR. As always, I'm a little bit late with that because BooktubeAthon is actually starting next week, though there's less than 7 days to prepare. But I really wanted to get this up for you. I actually took a couple of days off from work to participate in BooktubeAthon, which might seem a little bit weird, but I had so much fun doing this last year and I just wanted to get back into reading. You may know that I have moved recently and I have not been reading a whole ton. I've been reading Eleanor Oliphant is Completely Fine for like 3 weeks now, and I just really want to get back into reading and just enjoy reading again, and I think the BooktubeAthon is the perfect opportunity for that. So today I want to share with you my personal TBR, which is inspired by the 7 challenges that we got. So the first challenge actually has a little bit of an artistic potential because you're supposed to flip a coin, and I am not sure whether I can do that, but I'll try. So the first challenge is to let a coin decide which book you read first, and for me that won't mean that I'll finish the book first, but that I'll start the book first, just because I have picked 2 non-fiction books that I want to read, you know, throughout the whole week, well, one of those, and I'll let the coin decide which one it is. So my 2 options are About Face by Eileen McDermott and The Secrets of a Stylist by Sacha Charnin Morrison. So these are the 2. I got this as a birthday gift, I believe, from my friend who lives in Ireland now, and this one I've got many years back and I've never really looked into it. So let the coin decide. This is heads and this is tails. I'm really afraid of this. Ooh. And it is tails. So I'm gonna read Secrets of Stylists. So yeah, this is cool because I had this for so super long. And this is the book I'll start first. This has about 170 pages and I will just mark down how many pages a day I will have to read to finish this by the end of the week. The next challenge is to read a book about something that you want to do, and for that I picked The Cozy Tea Shop in the Castle. This is about a girl who lives in a big city, but she doesn't really like it anymore, so she goes to Cleverham Castle, which is the perfect escape from her humdrum life in the city, and she opens a tea shop there. So that sounds completely adorable. I've always dreamed about having my own reading cafe, so yeah, this kind of fits this theme, and I think this will be such a nice summer read, and I've been looking forward to reading this for a readathon because I think that this will be very easy to get through. The next challenge is to read and watch a book-to-movie adaptation, and for this I have, I don't know, is it called The Little Prince? I don't know. By Antoine de Saint-Exupéry? I don't do French. So, yeah, this has been adopted into a movie I think 1 or 2 years ago, and I've not seen it yet because I've never read this book, and I know that my mom loves it, so I think it's about time to get to this. Also, it's super short and a children's book, and you know, the font is really big, there's illustrations in it, it's perfect for a readathon. The next challenge is to read a book with green on the cover, and for that I chose another Goosebumps book. This is number 7 in the German publication order. The English title is Why I'm Afraid of Bees. And I am afraid of bees, though this might be a little bit terrifying, I don't know. But yeah, this is also perfect for a readathon because it's super short. I usually need about 2 hours to read one of these max, so yeah. Then we have the challenge that will totally kill me. It's read a book with the same hat on. I don't do hats. So I only have a couple of winter hats that will be super warm. So I chose the tiniest book that I have. I read the first one of these in my BooktubeAthon last year, so this is very fitting. This is something like The Small Cat She. It's like a manga series, but not really. It's for small kids. And this is by Konami Kanata, and it's just all about a small cat called Chi who lost its family and was found by another family, and it's super cute. Those are adorable and very quick to read. And for the next one I'm cheating a little bit. The next challenge is to read a book with a beautiful spine, and this is not my most beautiful spine, But the books that have the most beautiful full spines, I don't want to read on a readathon because I really want to, you know, enjoy them and take my time with them. So I chose The Adventures of Tom Bombadil by J.R.R. Tolkien because I've read one of those books last year for the readathon. These look tiny, but they're very dense because it's Tolkien. But still, I think this has a very beautiful spine, and these editions in general are just super beautiful, and I really want to read some Tolkien this year. So this one it is. And then the last challenge, as always, is to read 7 books, and for that I'm buddy reading a book with my friend Sabrina, who has an English-speaking booktube channel as well, which I will try to remember to link below. The name is Look at My Books, and we are reading the next Charlie Bone book because we're reading those together. I think this is number 4. Yeah, this is number 4 in the series, and this is in English, Charlie Bone and the Castle of Mirrors. So these are super quick to get through. I actually read the first book of the series in my BooktubeAthon last year, and so I think this is perfect again. It kind of fits the theme, and I'm very excited. Also, it's a children's book, so very easy to get through, and it's German translation, which in German I still read a little bit faster, so I think this will be great. So this would be all the books I want to read for a BooktubeAthon. I am very excited, and I'm pretty sure that I can manage to read all of these. Last year I did, and it felt really good, so I'm really hoping that this year will be a similar experience. I think I will vlog this as well, so if you're interested, just subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. And if you're participating in BooktubeAthon as well, please link your TBRs down below because I'm addicted to watching BooktubeAthon TBRs right now. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!
Mm-hmm.